You can make the best beat in the world and have it sound amateur because the mix is bad. Mixing is not an afterthought. Mixing is where your beat either crosses the line from bedroom to radio or doesn't. The most important concept in mixing is frequency separation. Every element in your beat occupies space in the frequency spectrum. Your job is to make sure nothing is fighting for the same space at the same time. The kick lives in the low end. The snare lives in the mids. The hi-hats live in the highs. The 808 connects the sub to the bass. When everyone has their own space, the mix becomes clear, powerful, and professional automatically. Start with high-pass filters on everything except your kick and bass. Cut the mud below 200 Hz on your synths and pads. Then EQ to carve out space for each element. That single process will improve your mixes more than any plug-in you can buy. A good mix doesn't call attention to itself. It's invisible. When someone listens to your beat and all they hear is the music, not the mix, that's when you've done your job. Module 5. Let's clean up the sound.